We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and some of the most mispronounced ones, especially those whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is said as nomenclature, nomenclature, with an emphasis on the second syllable. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as nomenclature, nomenclature in American English versus nomenclature in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many mispronounce. You won't. After watching those, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.